full of stacks. Better grab an umbrella, I make it right. I make it.
Special break, we got 2 boxes. Fast break. I couldn't stay away from them. They're fun. A lot of hits. So let's get started. Fast break basketball. Let's show them the packs. We got 13-14 Prestige, 13-14 Hoops, and 13-14 Pinnacle. Start with the Hoops. Alright. So let's tear through the base. Hoping for some hits, baby. Alright, to the inserts.
LeBron James action. Kevin Durant action shots. Malcolm Lee. Dreams. Got a Dreams card. Carlos Boozer. Anthony Davis.
Class action.
Some class action. Hall of Fame heroes.
There's Petrovic.
Nice. Jeremy Lin. We got Chris Paul.
Spark plugs.
Spark plugs.
Nene. Ancient card.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Alright, let's move it on.
That was a good pack.
Yeah, I like that pack. Hopefully it's better out of Pinnacle.
Be something nice.
What do we got? What do we got? Oh, we got an auto.
Nice.
Alright,
Nice auto.
Tayshaun Prince.
Nice card. Ginobili. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Yeah, man. I'm glad I got that card.
Little Yao Ming. That's a nice
Damian
card.
Lillard. Yeah. Chris Paul. Nice
Alright, more base.
base.
Let me see that auto again. Alright. Tayshaun Prince, Pinnacle auto. Alright, well, we're on the board. We got a hit.
Nice.
Let's move it on.
Alright.
On the Prestige 13-14.
I'll give you one more hit. Clay Thompson. Wesley Matthews. Joe Johnson. This looks nice. That's so nice.
Come on, he's a pioneer.
Kobe Bryant and Chris Paul. That's nice.
Alright, well,
Thank you.
1 for 3 so far. Alright, let's move it on. Where's the screwdriver? Thanks. Nice flathead.
Tear right through.
Alright. 13-14 Prestige, 13-14 Pinnacle, 13-14 Hoops. I'm gonna go Prestige, Hoops, Pinnacle. Evan Turner, Josh Smith, Enos Kanter, Connections, Alonzo Mourning, Chris Bosh, Nerlens Noel, rookie, Larry Sanders, Gorgie Dang, rookie, thanks Gorgie, Rudy Gay to round it out. Alright, 13-14 Hoops. Well, not a hit in this one. action shots. Paul George, Kemba. Go through these quick. Draymond Green, Bradley Beal Dreams, Virgil, Omar Zeke. Class action, Jamal Crawford, Paul George, Isaiah Thomas, the old one, Billy Cunningham. Some photo cards, Kyrie, Tony Parker, Spark Plugs, Reggie Jackson, Steve Novak, and the final inserts, Redbacks. Wow, rough start for me. I need a big save.
Hurts.
Yeah. Alright, come on. Come on, Pinnacle. Alright, let's roll. Steph. First quarter, Andre Drummond. Clear Vision. These are cool cards, but really wanted that hit. Not numbered. Clear Vision. Thanks.
Not what we're looking for.
Nah. Randolph. Rookie Artist Proof Tony Mitchell. Jamfest LeBron. And
Nice.
that's Dwayne. Kobe Scoring Kings. Dirk. And Team 2020. Bradley Beal. Well, not too much. Expecting more. But thanks for watching.